Hi, I'm Bill Phillips, the Chief Commercial Officer at Terumo Neuro, and I'm thrilled to be heading to Marseille, France for this year's ESMINT Congress. This year is an especially exciting year as we celebrate the 15th anniversary of the web device, a true milestone in the evolution of treating wide neck bifurcation aneurysms. We'll be marking this occasion with a dedicated symposia on the highlights of the device's transformative journey and clinical impact. Be sure to stop by our booth at ESMINT. It will be a great hub of activity. You'll have the chance to be able to have a hands-on with our Sophia 88 catheter and experience our silent symposia featuring the innovative fill liquid embolic system. ESMINT is such a valuable opportunity to connect with our European interventional community, share groundbreaking research, and explore the innovation in our field. I'm looking forward to seeing each of you there.